Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, it's just welcome, and I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Annette, and I'm obsessed with everything. So if travel, beauty, fashion, and fabulousness is your judge, then stick around, darling, because you won't be disappointed. So today I want to talk about my subscription to the Allure beauty box, and comment below and let me know if you have any beauty box subscriptions. There are many of them out there, but Allure is the one that I've been subscribed to for quite a while. So it's a $25 monthly subscription, and I love it because I'm obsessed with skincare. And you also get makeup, so a skincare, makeup. Sometimes they throw some hair care and some other things in there, but it's mostly skincare and makeup, which I love. So this is the inside of the box. This is what it looks like. They always give you a magazine with a beautiful model on the front, and it also gives you a description of every item, and every month has a theme. So this is April's box, Spring It On, and they also give you each item in order and tell you about the items and what they do and how much they cost and all of that, which is awesome. So I'm just going to go in order. Oh, and also you're guaranteed 6 items in every box, and normally 3 are full size and 3 are like deluxe samples. But this month, honey, we got 5, I think 5 full size items. So okay, Allure, I see you. They hooked us up this month. So this is the YSL gloss stick, and it's very pretty. See, I don't know if y'all can see that. See, look at it. And I did a little swatch for you guys, and I am wearing it. Yes, I did that for you guys so you can see how it looks on. Now I did add a little brown pencil from NYX, but this is what's crazy to me. This is called Beige Bliss. Does this look beige to anybody? Go figure. It's okay. It's not my favorite. It won't be my go-to, but knowing me, it may grow on me because you know how that is. But this is Beige Bliss by YSL, and this is the first item that we have in our box, and it's a full-size item. Moving on to the next item. The next item is a vitamin C scrub by Rodile, I think it's pronounced, guys. I'm not sure, but Rodile Vita C papaya enzyme scrub, and I did use it this morning when I did my skincare, and I love it. It's really nice. It's not smelling like papaya to me, but I love it. It's very nice. Rodile vitamin C. And I'll put a tiny bit on for you guys just so you can see how it looks. I don't know how that's going to pick up on the camera, but it's just a nice vitamin C scrub if you like a good scrub when you're doing your skincare routine. So next, guys, we have this lovely eyeshadow palette by Beauty for Certain. I never heard of this brand, and that's what I love too about this box. You get to try new brands that you never heard of before. So this is the palette, guys. It looks like a neutral palette. Well, for the most part, I feel like this one here. So I like these 3. These 2 I think are way light for me, but I can definitely see using this as a transition color. Even this one too, and I can see making a nice smoky eye with that one. So yes, tell me what you think. The name of it is Playa to Palazzo. Now, I'm pretty sure Playa means beach. I don't know what Palazzo means, but that's what this is, darling. I think it's pretty. It's not it won't be my go-to, but it's cute. I like it. Let me know what y'all think. Beauty for Certain. Cute little eyeshadow palette. Next, we have a hair care product, guys. Szechuan styling cream. So it says light and flexible. I'm going to see if I can read this right here. It's so tiny. I can't really see it, guys. I'm sorry. But it's a styling cream. Like I said, every now and then they'll put a hair product in the box. And they also give you all the description you need in the magazine. And it also tells you the retail price, which is awesome. Because, again, I'll give you the price of this one. This one... Oh my God, how much is this one? So this retails for $39. So again, we paid $25 for the box. So you already got a $42 lipstick. a $39 hair care product, and so on. You get the point, right? So yeah, so this is the styling cream. Moving on. So next we have this toner by SKIN&CO, which is one of my favorite skincare brand, guys. I love SKIN&CO. So this is a toner. So I'm excited to try this and add this to my skincare routine. Comment below and let me know if you use a toner. I don't always use a toner in my routine, but that's what this is. SKIN&CO toner, and I will be definitely checking this out to see how my skin loves it. And that's another thing too. I thank God I have great skin, so I can play around with different products. I know a lot of people can't do that. Some people have sensitive skin. Some people can't try multiple products, but I'm excited that I can. That's why I love this box, because I get so excited every month to see what's new. We get toners and serums and cleansers and moisturizers, eye creams, all kind of stuff. So yes, darling, this is a toner by SKIN&CO. Moving on. And last but not least, we have this cute little hyaluronic cream. So it's by Innisfree. Again, new brand, new to me. I don't know if y'all can see that. Focus, camera, focus. It's new to me. Innisfree. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm excited to try it. It's a green tea seed hyaluronic cream. So that's awesome. I love a good hyaluronic acid serum, so I'm excited to try this one and add it to the rotation. So you guys, I'm going to wrap this video up right here. It was short and sweet. So next month they gave us an option to pick out a Fenty blush. So I already picked my color, so I'm excited about getting that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. It really helps me out. It really pushes my video through the algorithm so my channel can grow. And thank you for everybody who commented on my last video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you guys. You're amazing. And thank you, you know who you are, to the person who made a request. You made a request for a video for Arabian fragrances. Now, I do have three. I have three, and I think that's enough for a video, but I might purchase one or two more, because I do have my eye on a couple more. So thank you, girl, for your suggestion, and I will be working on that. I think I'm going to do a Shein haul next, you guys, so stay tuned for my next video. Stay kind, stay fabulous, and most of all, stay obsessed. Believe the color. It's called Allure. I forgot the color. I love a good hyaluronic acid serum.